So hello and welcome. You join me in my attic, surrounded by the remains of my old Knex machine, Nexus. As you can see, it's kind of everywhere. I'll give you a tour around in a second. So this is the first in a series of vlogs in which I'm going to talk about and discuss the progress of my new ball machine. It doesn't quite yet have a name, but anyway, I'll give you a tour of it. So yeah, right now we're in the middle of the attic, if you like. So the entrance to it is down there, and then we have this kind of main, I guess you call it A-frame type area. It's about 5 meters long, so it's quite a nice space. This whole area the main area that I'm going to build in is this kind of between these A-frames, if that makes any sense at all. Probably not. So in between each of these will be a main tower. If you like, an elevator, and then we'll have things going all around the attic, as you can imagine, on both sides. And then down there in these kind of lower height bits, I'm going to have smaller ball machines that are part of the main thing. I'm not sure entirely what we'll do with that yet, but yeah. Anyway, there's a lot of these boxes of stuff over here. This is all the old ball machine. All the kind of main sections and chunks of it were just put into boxes. Obviously the bigger stuff are just moved in big sections like this. So yeah, this area is the kind of bit that I'm working on at the moment. This is going to be where everything starts and everything ends. So the whole idea of this ball machine is that all the balls themselves, these things, will start down here, and then they'll get taken up ever so slightly to kind of halfway up, and then they'll get distributed around to the various main lifts that take them up obviously higher, and then all the paths will return to this main area down here. And the idea of this is I'll be able to switch kind of on the fly which parts of the machine I want to work at any one time, so I can distribute all the balls to say network number 1, and then only network number 1 will actually work, which I think is quite cool. It's something unique. I've not seen it done before in a way that is kind of useful or meaningful. So yeah, I've acquired, this is a box I picked up recently of Knex, but I reckon I've probably acquired another 20,000 odd pieces since I filmed and finished the Nexus. I got various boxes of it everywhere. There's some of my own, some of this is new. So in general, I think this ball machine will probably be, it's hard to say, but I reckon I'm hoping to go for something twice the size in terms of pieces. It'll be quite spread out because obviously this space is actually, the main area, this main gantry is about 3 times the size of the volume that the old one took up. So yeah, quite a nice space. It's going to be quite interesting working around all of these arches, and I guess it presents quite a nice engineering problem. This side's interesting because it has a support beam running right up the side of it, so it kind of cuts off access, but we'll work through that. Yeah, it's all a challenge. There's tons of just chunks of this stuff everywhere, kind of making a complete and utter mess. So yeah, I kind of hope to have something for you guys every week as I build something new and something cool, and hopefully this will take far less time than my previous machine, because again, I'm going to reuse most of these elements purely and simply because I want to work a lot quicker, and I was quite happy with some of the stuff that worked. I mean, this thing was really good. This elevator was really reliable. That mechanism thing over there, the sliding panel lift, was really useful. And this whole tower was very proud of this, so I'm just going to keep it as it is, pretty much. But like I said, I probably will build some new stuff, and some stuff like that. That rotating lift over there I probably won't keep, just because it was a bit slow, and I've done it twice now, so I think probably enough rotating chain lifts for anybody. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll hopefully have another video for you soon. Thanks.